Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your commission reports with Skimlinks, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your commission reports with Skimlinks, start by logging into your Skimlinks account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the reports section. Here, you'll find various report options. Select the commission reports option to access your earnings data. Next, choose the specific time range for the reports you want to recover. Skimlinks provides options for daily, weekly, and monthly reports. Pick the range that best suits your needs, keeping in mind the date range for your commissions. After selecting the date range, click on Generate Report for the chosen period. Wait for the system to compile your report. This process may take a few moments, depending on the amount of data. Once the report is generated, it will appear in the list below. You can click on the report to view details directly on the dashboard. If you prefer, you can download the report by clicking the Download button, typically available in CSV or Excel format. Choose the format that works best for you. Ensure you save the file in a location where you can easily find it later. If you experience any issues with generating reports, check your internet connection. You may also want to clear your browser cache if the page isn't loading properly. For continuous access, consider bookmarking the reports page for future reference. If you need additional assistance, visit the Skimlinks support page for resources and help. Once you have your report, review the data thoroughly to track your earnings. Make notes of any discrepancies or items that need further investigation. Take action on any issues by reaching out to Skimlinks support for clarification. By following these steps, you can effectively recover your commission reports with Skimlinks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.